Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. Basically the volume of the sounds like media sounds, ringtones and stuff like that. So first we need to open the settings. To do it, press the Chrome button, then press it again to open the menu. And now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon and then tap on it to open the settings. And in settings you should see this page, the main page of settings. Scroll through it and find the option called sounds and vibration or sound and vibration. Here we have it. Once you find it, tap on it. And right here we have a few different types of volumes. We have calls, messages, notifications, alarms, music, media, call, and exercise tone. And we can adjust all of these volumes. To do that, find the slider you want to adjust and then swipe on it. And once you're done adjusting the sliders, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.